Hi friends, today we're taking a look at this infrared heater. It's rated up to 1500 watts. So this is what it looks like. Do not cover this panel right here. I love the display, it's really sleek. You can, I believe this, you can mount on a wall, yes. You can mount this on the wall if you want, or it does come with these little legs if you guys want to use the legs as well. So when installing the legs, you're going to pick the second hole. So that one hole is going to have a screw in on the bottom here, and you're going to hear a click. So you can push it in and you can hear a snap. You do get a remote, which is awesome. Okay, once you go ahead and give it power, it's going to have a little green light there. And then you got your on and off. Now you can set the temperature, whatever you want. You have your mode. Celsius, Fahrenheit. So here we're dropping it down. So you can set your temperature. Let's see how low you can go. So you can drop this down to 59 degrees. And then you can lift it up here as well. You have your timer on and off. So this is Celsius mode up and down. So these are different modes that you have on here. So this mode would be, let's see, this is high mode. So heat mode will be engaged. Number 3, which is the center, that will be low mode. And number 4, which is the tree, that will be eco mode. So basically energy saving mode. And what's nice is, you know, as you can see, the display went off. What's nice is when it, like at this temperature, it just blows the fan. Unless it's really, really cold, then the heat will come on. But you can, I don't know if you guys can see it blowing, but it's blowing way out. So it actually blows really well. I definitely like this a lot. This is really nice. And we can go ahead and turn this up. Let's see if you press and hold. Okay, no, you have to manually. So let's see how high we can go. So you can go up to 86 degrees. And then that's going to draw. And yeah, we can feel the heat already. So very nice. I like this unit a lot. I like the eco mode too, so that's great. But overall, I think you guys are going to be happy with this. And you can see how thin this is. If yours doesn't turn on, that's because there is a main switch back here that needs to be on. But you can see how sleek this is. It's like, yeah, it's really thin. And it's really nice. Make sure you don't block anything with this. So this is where the air pulls in. I don't know if there's an on-off. Okay, so there is no safety feature if it falls over. So please keep that in mind. It shouldn't fall over. Like you would have to push it really hard, or a pet would have to push it. And what's cool is you can see it heat up when the heating element is on. You can kind of see that nice glow, which is really cool. Overall, this is a really nice heater.